How to fix TikTok you are following too fast problem easily and fast. Hello guys, so first thing you want to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps like this. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. All what you want to do here is very simple. Just scroll down, click on the TikTok, and now click on the data usage, and then make sure to enable all those options and go back, click on the storage, and wait a few seconds here. It will start computing the data number. Now after you wait, you have to click on clear data, go back, click on the power usage details, and make sure to enable the power consumption alert like this, and then restart your phone and reopen TikTok. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.